While most of the world is still asleep, this factory is already running. Every modern television begins with data and engineering. Every microscopic circuit path is designed with absolute precision. Before it exists in the real world, the television is tested in simulation. Every image and audio connection must respond almost instantly. Every Wi-Fi antenna is tuned carefully to keep the signal stable. Bluetooth pairing takes only seconds, but behind it are countless tests. Firmware is what truly brings the television to life. Modern OLED displays are built from layers of ultra-thin materials. A premium television must be both beautiful and durable. Robots simulate impact and vibration under real-world conditions. Even the airflow inside the TV must be engineered precisely. Every interaction must feel completely natural. Dozens of prototypes are created to find the perfect design. This is where every technology comes together. Every day, thousands of components arrive at the factory. Every movement inside the warehouse is fully automated. Every component has its own identity and is tracked continuously. A single particle of dust can destroy an OLED panel. AI systems inspect every motherboard before production begins. Behind the brightness of the display is a massive storage system. Robots deliver the precision modern manufacturing demands. The RFID system always knows exactly where every component is. This is no longer a traditional warehouse, but an automated nervous system. Every component must arrive at the right place and time. These ultra-thin ribbon cables carry high-speed image data. The image processor chip is placed with microscopic precision. The deeper inside the factory, the stricter the environment becomes. Hundreds of thousands of components move continuously behind these walls. And now, the SMT line is ready to begin. Every electronic system begins with a blank circuit board. Solder paste is applied precisely to every connection point. Cameras align the PCB before assembly begins. This is the heart of SMT production, where speed meets precision. Robot heads move faster than the human eye can follow. The board now enters an extreme heat zone. Many components on this board are smaller than dust. The reflow oven temperature is controlled with extreme accuracy. This is the moment electronic connections truly form. AI scans the entire motherboard, searching for the smallest defect. One tiny solder defect can damage the entire system. Every electrical signal must pass automated inspection. For the first time, the board begins running real software. Hundreds of machines operate as one synchronized system. Industrial ventilation systems run constantly to keep the line stable. Even with full automation, human expertise still matters. The boards are cleaned completely before final inspection. The completed motherboards are ready for the next stage. The entire factory is monitored through real-time data. This is where the electronic experience begins. The motherboard is the brain, the display is the soul. Each LED strip is positioned carefully to create uniform brightness. Light must be diffused perfectly before reaching the viewer. OLED panels are so thin, they require vacuum robots to move. The air inside this room is filtered continuously. These ultra-thin ribbons carry high-speed display data. Layer by layer, the display begins taking shape. The final glass surface defines the premium feel of the product. Lasers inspect the panel with near zero tolerance. Every movement of the display must be extremely controlled. Even tiny static charges can destroy modern electronics. Every edge of the screen is inspected under intense light. The completed panels begin leaving the clean room. Every display must prove its visual perfection. Screen color accuracy is measured with optical systems. Every airflow inside the OLED area is tightly controlled. The final components begin coming together. The central motherboard is installed into the chassis. The power supply now delivers energy to the entire system. The audio system is assembled to create a more immersive experience. Every signal cable is secured exactly as designed. Every screw point must receive exact torque. 6-axis robots repeat movements with perfect consistency. Even the HDMI ports must align perfectly. AI cameras inspect every internal cable layout. The television now begins to look complete. The cooling system is installed to manage internal heat. The GV robots continue transporting products between production stages. The entire mechanical line operates in synchronization. The final metal frame is locked into place under pressure. Modern factory efficiency comes from perfect coordination. The television moves closer to final completion. After all the automation, human hands still perform the final check. From thousands of separate parts, a complete television has emerged. The hardware is complete. Now the software is installed. This is the moment. The television powers on for the first time. The smart TV operating system is installed across every device. Every Wi-Fi connection must pass one final test. The television automatically pairs with modern Bluetooth devices. Every display is calibrated individually to achieve maximum image accuracy. Optical sensors continuously measure the brightness of the screen. Contrast and black levels are tuned before shipment. Audio systems must also pass vibration and sound testing. Every interface interaction must respond almost instantly. AI is now working directly inside the television itself. High-speed motion scenes reveal the display's true performance. Even the remote control must synchronize perfectly. Behind every calibration process, massive servers process data continuously. Behind every calibration process, massive servers process data continuously. This is where there is no room for error. Every single pixel must operate perfectly. Displayed colors are compared constantly against precise reference standards. In complete darkness, even the smallest display flaw becomes visible. Every electrical connection must pass strict safety testing. System voltage is monitored continuously to ensure long-term stability. The television must remain stable, even under extreme heat. After high temperatures comes deep cold testing. Hundreds of displays run continuously for many hours at a time. Heavy vibration testing simulates real-world transportation. Even the packaging itself must prove its durability. The product must pass strict electronic certification standards. Energy efficiency is a critical part of modern televisions. Final certifications confirm the product meets international standards. Burn-in testing is one of the longest and harshest stages in production. After all the advanced technology, human hands still complete the final step. Only after passing every inspection can the television leave the factory. Now the television begins its final stage of protection. Protective shock absorbing layers are added for transportation. Every required accessory is packed alongside the product. The carton box is formed automatically with high precision. Robots place each television into the box with extreme care. Every product carries a serial number for complete production tracking. The weight of every package is checked automatically. The final box is sealed completely, ready for shipment. Thousands of televisions are now ready for global distribution. Behind every electronics store are massive logistics systems operating non-stop. The journey of every television continues through RFID tracking. These televisions are now beginning their journey to customers around the world. Most people will never see the thousands of engineering hours behind this product. They only see the image in front of them, but behind it stands an entire world of technology.